Well, first stop on the way to Wales. Stopped at a nice little cafe. Can't remember what it's called, but it's alright.
It's the Sunday.
It's a bit expensive, but you know, it is what it is. The sun's come out now. We did go through a little bit of rain.
Well, you could sound more enthusiastic about it, Paul.
Dave's a very big lover of Harley Davidsons, aren't you?
Oh, they're marvellous machines. Marvellous, very underrated they are, yes.
Yes. So why did you get a BMW?
Well, I think it's one of the best bikes that you can buy, Paul, yes.
Oh, I'm with you. I'd do the same. Oh, I have done the same. Yeah. You ready, Bertie? Yeah, it's nice. Oh, it's just a sheep field, I think. Look how clear the water is. It's beautiful. I suppose I should turn the bike off, really, shouldn't I? Yeah. Well, parked in worse places. Okay.
God, look at that, Paul.
Mountain sheep.
That baby's saying, look, I don't know about this. There's two of them there.
Cup of tea, Dave.
Wouldn't mind a cup of tea, Paul, yeah, it'd be lovely.
Should have got some milk. Brioche buns.
Well, it's Tesco's finest.
Oh, is it?
Of course you would expect this.
That's some quality you've got there, Dave.
I think it's about £1.50, you know.
Well, brioche buns are not the cheapest,
No,
are
they
they?
certainly are not.
Very nice. I hope your burgers are Tesco's finest.
I believe they are.
Are
yes, yes. Let's have a look. Well,
I can't believe how well kitted out you are.
I'm very organised today, aren't I? Aberdeen Angus.
Oh my goodness, they are the finest.
Yeah. And Cumberland. And they're one of your 5 a day.
Yeah, one of your 5. I don't think they do count as one of your 5 a day, Dave.
Would you like your beer or are you having a cup of tea?
I can have a cup of tea. Yeah.
Is that right?
I mean, yeah. I mean, you put these up here, like that, if you're going to use your frying pan.
Do, biddish, do, biddish, do, 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 do.
That's beautiful.
Isn't that good? Ooh, that one's a little bit... Oh no!
Oh, he's got one down.
No one saw that.
You tell that.
It's only sheep yet. Slow cook.
Yeah. We don't want food poisoning, do we?
No, quite.
Because
it's a very serious issue with food poisoning.
it is, and it could happen to anyone. One always has to make sure that when dealing with food, especially raw meat, that it's not mixed with other varieties of
other
food.
Contaminants such as sheep shit, you know.
Well, I mean, cross-contaminating, like if you started touching them buns without washing your hands, then obviously when you're here,
you should
there's
wash
no
your
sinks
before touching buns.
Yes, especially if you've been handling raw meat.
Absolutely. I think that's it. Cooking.
How's your sausages going, Dave?
I think we're doing all right now.
They look nice.
They're coming on, Paul. They're a little bit burnt in places, but I think, you know.
Well, you know, you can't perfect it in this sort of environment, can you, Dave?
One of the challenges we have as humans is to correctly cook sausages, I find.
Well, yeah, there's a lot of food poisoning that goes on with
Oh, certainly is, Paul.
undercooked sausages, especially when you can't control the heat. You know what I mean? 'Cause the outside could look like it's cooked, but the inside could be raw, Dave, and that's a recipe for danger.
For disaster.
Yes.
You know, the moon's over there, look.
Oh yeah. But you pick that up, Dave. It's a bit far away. 268,000 miles away, if I'm not mistaken.
I'll pull it towards
Or something along them lines. Don't quote me on that.
veg on it.
So how's your brioche burger? Nice?
It's beautiful, Paul.
Right, we're feeding nature now. And we found a crow that likes sausages. So if I take this half a sausage, and if you look up in the tree there, you'll see. So I'll throw the sausage over here, like so, and then Mr. Crow will fly down. Here he is. Sit on his little perch there. Then he'll grab the old sausage, and off he goes. You're welcome. You'd think like all these would be like guest houses, wouldn't you, or little hotels or something. Yes, I've got it on. Well, something tragic's probably happened. Oh, mountain rescue. Well, I suppose, you know, only takes one fall, doesn't it? And then break your ankle or something, you're stuffed, ain't you? It's a shame it's not a bit more pleasant up here, isn't it, really? That's a youth hostel, isn't it, or something? Well, it's got a cafe and a bar. That car park's probably about £100 an hour. Yeah, I think we've tried to park in there before and not had anywhere to park. Any room. There's a nice ambience to that campsite. I don't know what it is, but it's nothing special, is it? But it's, well, I mean, it's located in a very scenic spot. There's a nice atmosphere about it. Oh, there's lakes aplenty, isn't there, David? Doesn't it take you to Porthmadog, doesn't it? There's an ice cream shop on the right. Me, Zara and the girls stopped up yeah, that's where you lost your drone. Just park there where it says no parking. Dave likes the post box. He's taken a photograph.
I think it's quite quaint.
Quaint. We've just had an ice cream at the famous ice cream parlour. No, I can't pronounce it because it's in Welsh.
From Glasgow.
Very good, David.
Yeah.
Yes. We're in. Where are we?
Somewhere in Wales.
It's not Bethgelert, is it?
Beglet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very nice. Still very busy, isn't it? It's like half past 5 and it's busy. What did you think to your £10 ice cream? No. Ready? Is it open again? Yeah, it's open now. It looked like a nice hotel when we were looking, didn't it? Yeah. But they weren't taking any. But I think that was just before COVID, weren't it? Do you remember? Yeah. Just before COVID hit. So we were lucky, really. Then the whole world closed down.
Yeah, it did fall, didn't it? Oh my, what a terrible time.
Yeah, that's a great shot, that is. So high up. I bet there's been some cars rolling down that. How are you holding up, Dave?
Pardon, monsieur?
How are you holding up?
We're doing okay.
Yeah.
We've had a good day. I'm going to take the money.
You're going to take the money? Okay.
Coffee has given me a new lease of life.
Take it off. Well, back to reality of traffic and cones and lane closures. HS2